scientist in lab. Cinematic, realistic.
Stop typing prompts. Prompt engine will help you.
I haven't written prompts at all for the past months. And honestly, I don't even understand why people still do it. They sit there for hours, typing the same words over and over again, making mistakes, writing entire paragraphs, just to get results they didn't even want in the first place. I solved this problem in a very simple way. I built a custom GPT called Prompt Engine. It generates top quality prompts for you, literally in 2 clicks. You'll find it inside our AI creators community, linked first in the description.
Look what I did in a minute.
So what? Do you still have to type prompts into ChatGPT? No, and I mean absolutely not. You just turn on voice input and talk. Say everything that's in your head. Simple words, no perfect phrasing, no structure, and that's the best part, it understands everything. You just explain your video idea and it creates a full sequence of prompts for you, both in natural language and in JSON format for advanced generations. Let's create a short story together. I say,
Give me 3 prompts. A story about a couple in Paris.
Once I get the prompts, I use Nano Banana Pro through FreePic and instantly generate the shots I need. Of course, I want a video. FreePic suggests its own prompt. You can use it, but honestly, it's better to just ask Prompt Engine again. And boom, the first romantic shots are ready. And only when you see results like this, you realize something funny. AI tools understand each other better than people do. I use the remaining prompts and upload photos of the girl and the guy as references, because they need to look identical in every shot. And Nano Banana Pro handles this perfectly. If you want more real, practical AI content tips, check the first link in the description. Inside our AI creators community, people are landing AI advertising jobs worth thousands of dollars and openly sharing their experience. We're waiting to see your work too.